Hi, very good evening to all. My name is Bhavana and I hope all are good. And our subject is Business Economics. This is for BBA students for first year and first semester. In this yesterday class, we started our fourth unit, that is budget line. In the budget line, we discuss cost concepts. In cost concepts, already we discussed definition of the cost, the meaning of the cost and various determinants of the cost. Today we are discussing the importance of the cost analysis for managerial decision making. Means for decision making, cost analysis is how useful and how much importance for decision making cost analysis. Let's see here. First, product costing and pricing decisions. Cost analysis is used in managerial decision making. Cost analysis means we have to analyze our cost, how much cost is required for production of particular product. This cost analysis is used for managerial decision making in selling products or services or service prices. Means suppose our organization has to produce one particular product. For the product we have to sell in the market. So for selling in the market, first we have to estimate how much cost required for production, then we have to add to the profit. For that we can sell into the market. For that reason also we need cost analysis. Means you have to analyze the competitors cost and also our cost. You can give our product in a better cost and best quality, then only consumers will prefer our product. So for that process also we need cost analysis. Different pricing approaches are used by business organizations, which include cost based pricing, market based pricing, target pricing, etc. Cost based pricing means mainly they concentrate on cost. Market based pricing means in market based pricing we consider the competitor's price, and in target pricing means while we are selling our product, what is our target, which people we are targeting for our products. So for that we have to decide our price. So while considering a cost also, there are different types of pricing. First is cost based pricing, market based pricing and target pricing, etc. For product costing and pricing decision, for taking a decision in our business for production of the particular product, we need cost analysis. First we have to analyze our cost, then only we can produce our particular product. Next, cost management. Managers face diverse problems in running the business organizations. Business managers face diverse problems, means different problems in running while the business is running. Means in starting our business and running of the business, every manager has to face different problems. Some internal and some are external in nature. Some are internal in nature and some are external in nature. Selling prices tend to become inflexible. Selling means while we want to sell our product, the selling products are inflexible, means they are constant. Employees get organized and demanded high wages and other benefits. Employees also wanted high wages, means if for the production of the product we need some employees. So for that employees we have to need to pay high wages. They are demanded for high wages, and also the government has increased the tax and government imposed new regulations. So based on all these considerations, so while we have to cost manager, the cost manager is a very crucial role while we have to manage the cost. So we consider all these terms of, we consider the competitors and also we consider the labors. Sometimes labors want to increase their wage and government has imposed other duties and regulations, and there is a competitors product. So based on all these considerations we have to manage the cost. For that cost management also cost analysis is very important. As a result of these and other factors, managers soon realize that cost must be controlled and reduced if continuous profits were to be earned. So all these terms are taken into mind. The manager has to consider all these terms if the organization want to make profit. So the manager has to control the cost and has to reduce the waste and has to reduce the cost of production, then only our organization get profits. Let's see here. Cost management. Managers face diverse problems. While running a business, managers face diverse means different problems in running their organization. Some internal and some external are in nature. Some are internal problems, some are external problems. Selling prices tend to become inflexible. While selling the prices tend to be inflexible. Employees get organized and demanded higher wages and other benefit taxes. Taxes increases and government impose new regulations. In some words, the employees employees want to increase their salaries and laborers want to increase their wages, government imposing taxes and government imposing new restrictions. For all this consideration, this manager has to control the cost and also has reduced the wastage, and he has to analyze the cost analysis, then only our organization and profit. So for cost management also cost analysis is very important. Next, profit planning. Cost analysis is indispensable to profit planning. While making a profit in our organization, also cost analysis is important. First, we have to find out the cost, then only we can make a profit. Suppose our organization is producing wheat. So for that wheat, we have to, how much cost we are required. First, we have to analyze. For that cost, we have to add some profit. Then only we can sell to the ultimate consumers. So for that reason, also for making profit, also cost analysis is very important. Profit planning involves the determination of operating planning of business organization for the coming operating period and summarizing it in financial presentations in the form of projected income statement. Means while in accounts we have to prepare the project income statement. For that income statement we have to write all expenses and incomes. Based on these only we have to calculate net profit. In profit and trading account, in trading account we get gross profit. For this gross profit you have to carry forward in the income statement. Then income statement we consider all the expenses and losses. Hence here also profit planning also we have to be considered all our expenses and incomes. So then only we can make a profit, then only we can estimate or we can find out our profit. Cost analysis is indispensable to profit making. Profit plans involve the determination of operating planning. Profit planning mainly depends upon operating planning. Operating planning means day-to-day activities. While our organization is a production organization, so first we have to purchase raw material. For this raw material, we have to be converted into finished product. For the conversion, it may steps and there may be some process. For the process also, we require some machinery, some labor, some capital. So while considering all these factors, all these our incomes and expenses only we can determine our profit. And summarizing into financial presentation in the form of projected income statement. So all considering you have to summarize all the expenses and incomes, then only we can project our financial statement, then only we can find our profits. Costs are one of the major input in profit planning. And cost analysis in profit planning helps the management to understand the relationship of the cost, volume and profit of the finally decided on the optimal operational activity levels. Suppose while we are considering all these expenses, then in profit and loss account we find our profit. So profit is the relationship between all the expenses of cost and also incomes, expenses and also incomes, and it understands the relationship of the cost, volume of profit, how much percent of profit we are incurring. So all this comes under only based on our profit and loss statement only. Next, capital investment decisions. It is basically examine two major items, namely benefits and cost. In capital investment decisions, while the business want to investment some capital in some projects, so then also we need cost analysis. The benefits are most often received over time. Cost benefit analysis can be carried out using only financial cost and financial benefits. So suppose if in our organization we want to invest our capital into projects, so which project give more revenue and which project give more profits, for that project only we have investment. So for that also we need cost analysis. So for that first we have to find what is cash inflows and what is cash outflows. So cash inflow is more when compared to the cash outflow. That particular project we have to investment our capital. So for that reason also we need cost analysis. We find out in which project the cost is coming and cost inflow and cost outflow. Which project the cost inflow is more when compared to the cost outflow, then the project we have to investment of capital, then only we can get more profits. It is basically examining two major items, namely benefits and costs. The benefits are made often received over time. Cost benefit analysis can be carried out by using only financial cost and financial benefits. Cost benefit analysis is mainly carried out but to find out the financial cost and what are the financial costs we are receiving and what are the financial benefits we are enjoying. For find out the reason, then only we do cost benefit analysis. Next, marketing decisions. Cost analysis from the viewpoint of marketing decisions provide useful information need to plan and control marketing cost and to diverse appropriate marketing strategies for selling products based on their contribution margins to the total company profit. Means in marketing decisions, cost analysis from the based on the cost analysis point of view, marketing decisions provides useful information. Marketing decisions, they provide the useful information for taking for analyzing the cost, needs to plan and control marketing cost and to devise appropriate marketing strategies for selling our products based on their contribution margins to their company profit. So for making our profit also, our marketing strategies helps to find the cost analysis. So while we analyze the cost, based on our cost analysis we can sell our products and make profit of the particular products. Cost analysis relates to the cost of marketing activities to sales revenues. Cost analysis mainly relate to the cost of marketing, how much in marketing activities, how much cost we are incurred, and for the sales revenue, for selling of our product, for marketing of our product, how much cost we are incurring. These are come under the cost analysis related to the marketing activities and sales revenues. These are all the importance of cost analysis of managerial decision making. In managerial decision making, what are the importance of cost analysis? For product costing and pricing decision, for we want to take any decision, first we have to analyze the cost. Based on the cost only we have to take decisions. Next, cost management. For management of the cost, we have to in some situations, in some organizations, the laborers want to increase their wages and employees wants to increase their salaries and government increase these taxes. So cost manager have to consider all the terms. Then he can reduce the cost and he can reduce the cost of production, and also he utilize all the resources in efficient way. Then only he give the particular product in very reasonable cost and at a quality. Then the manager has to control and reduce the cost. It is then only our organization will get profits. Next, profit planning. For profit planning also, first we have to analyze all our expenses, all our incomes. Then only first we have to prepare a projected statement, that is profit and loss account. In this profit and loss account, we debit, we all write all expenses. In credit, we write all incomes. For that we analyze our profit. For that profit, for the coming of the profit only for the profit percentage only we have to decided how much profit we are earning by producing this particular product. Next, capital investment decisions. In capital investment, while we want to, any company want to investment our capital into a project, first we have to know, if suppose there are two projects, project A and project B. Project A gives more cash inflow when compared to the project B. Then we have to be invested our capital into project A. Then only we can earn more revenues. For that reason also cost analysis is very important. Next, marketing decisions. While in marketing decisions also we have to need cost analysis. First we have to analyze the cost of a particular product, and we have to analyze all the cost incurred for the production of the product, while in like marketing, like in distribution, all these costs. Then we can enter into our market. Then first we find the competitor's price, then we have to analyze our price. Based on our marketing strategies, we have to analyze our cost. Then we have to add some profit to our product. Then we have to sell. For selling of the product also we need some cost, like there is a middle person, so we have to pay commission. Or then we have, first it is a new product in our industry, so we have to give some advertisement about the awareness of the product. For this also first we have to analyze all the cost. For this, based on analyzation only, we had to add some percentage of profit. Then only we can send the product. From marketing decisions, for we want to take any decision in marketing related only, marketing related also you need cost analysis. So these are all the importance of cost analysis of managerial decision making in product costing and pricing decisions. And next, cost management and profit planning, capital investment decisions and marketing decisions. These are all the importance of cost analysis in managerial decision making. I hope you understand this lecture. If you have any doubt up to now, please let me know. I definitely clarify your doubts. Thank you so much.